Hey guys, it's Ronnie here with Great Choice. Just show you what we've been doing since David made that first little snippet this morning. We've got all our speaker wire ran, all our TV wires ran. We have 4 TVs laid out right now with the brackets on them, getting ready to go for that. We also have all our wires ran down the wall over here and a nice neat grommet plate. So with that being said, stay tuned. We'll show you some more soon. So hey guys, check out these pendant style speakers that David was showing you earlier. We got a few of them mounted and they're floating right there in the middle. If you look real close, you can see where my wire came down to meet it to hold on. And then we have another one right there. And then another one over there and a few more that I'll be putting in right after the new year when we come back.